Hi everyone, this is an intraday update on Now Telecom. So for those who requested it via stocks by request, here we go. Where's the stock headed? Is it gonna go up? Is it gonna break down? Is it gonna zoom faster? What should you do if you own the stock? What should you do if you are just planning to buy? So I hope this video helps you to analyze your trades in a better fashion. So first of all, I just like to thank everyone also who attended Icon 2018. It was such an amazing event. We had over 1,000 people there, hungry people wanting to learn about investing. So for those who came, I hope that it's not just something that filled you with content, but it's something that will also be a springboard for you to bring your investments to the next level. Next, our next batch of seminars will be in Melbourne this June 9 to 11. I'll put the link below for those who are from Australia that want to join us. And also Stock Smarts Manila will be June 16, 17, 23, 24, and also June 30. So link will be below for those who want to join us as well. Alright, so this video, by the way, is based on 11:51 movements of the stock intraday. So it's now Wednesday, May 30, 2018, 11:50. So as of 11:50 a.m. so probably this will be posted also during the halftime break of the markets. Now as of 11:50 a.m. now is at 9.44 pesos per share. It's up 0.85% with a very strong value turnover of 205 million, which is number 3 in terms of value turnover for the entire market, which is for those who've been following our technical analysis videos and for those who attended our Stock Smart sessions, we place a large emphasis on volume because volume denotes how much participation is there in the stock, how many retailers and institutions, local and foreign investors are really interested in trading and investing the stock. So the larger the volume, the more reliable it is, and it's been very consistent in terms of how strong the volume is over a given period of time. So now let's look at what the technicals are. Please take note now, whatever movement you are seeing, by the way, in now, based on a fundamental perspective, is still based on what it could be should it become the third player. It really hasn't given us a large fundamental reading in terms of earnings to substantiate the price that it has. So whatever movement that you see now is based on what it could possibly be in the future should there be a third telecom, should they possibly win it as well, and should they possibly generate earnings from it. That's what will possibly validate whatever valuations you are seeing now. So whatever you're seeing for Now Telecom right now, it should be on the basis of you trading it based on what the charts are telling you. And for those who've been following the videos that I've created now, I'm just really a technical guy. I trade the markets based on what the charts are telling me. I trade the markets based on the charts, based on technicals, based on indicators, based on following the trend. I do not try to guess. I do not try to speculate on things. But what I like about it is if you follow the charts, it allows you to do things without guessing. It allows you to do things also without I guess having the notion of you not trying to figure out what's gonna happen as well. So here's the thing, let's try to break down now also, and I'll try to put charts here. I don't know where it will pop out, but it might pop out here or here, which can help you analyze it as well. So people ask me a lot of questions why Now dropped significantly yesterday. As you all know, I posted this in several videos when Now started to break out from the 9 peso level, that we have a resistance at around 12.75 to around 30 pesos per share. So what does that mean? The closer Now is to 12.75 or 13, you can expect a certain level of selling. So for those who bought at the breakout of 9 and started to sell the closer it was to 13, congratulations to all of you. That's a very textbook way of making money in the markets, as you've seen from the March 2018 movement of the stock. That's where our basis for the resistance is. That's where our basis of whatever selling pressure there is for the stock. So why am I saying this right now? The movement from 9.44, then the movement today at 9.44 is bringing Now close to its support level at around 9 pesos per share. So what does this have to do with everything? As long as Now stays above 9, the movement from 9 to 13 is still pretty much in place. So what does that mean again? If it goes back to around 9 pesos and it stays above it, holds that level, it does not fall above it, it does not fall below it. You people who were not able to buy can buy again. People who took profits close to 12.75 can take profits. I can buy again. So buy as close as you can at the bounce from 9, sell and take profits as close as you can to 12.75 to 13, because that's the new range that we have now. So what's the next step? If it goes down further, it goes around 9 and then 9 does not hold, breaks down, you bought the stock, it would be very, very prudent for you to sell. Either take profits or cut loss depending on where your buy area is. For those who bought at 12 point, bought at 9, then it bounces again, set your target price is 12.75 to 13 pesos per share. Failure to break that level will trigger another sell signal for you guys. So I'll give you the next update should a bounce happen, and should it break out from 13, I'll give you the next target prices for that as well. But what's very, very important, especially when there's movements like this, people tend to be emotional. Your goal is not to be emotional. Your goal is not to decide based on what the movement is telling you, but your goal is for you to decide based on the logic, the predefined technique that you've placed when you made the trade. Why am I saying this? I always tell this to people before I make a trade. I know what price I want to buy it and I know what price I want to sell it. Those conditions must be set already even before you make the trade, so that when markets would go either up, bullishly up, or it would go bearishly down, you already have a technique and you already have a battle plan to make money or to at least minimize your losses for that trade. Please remember this, your goal when you trade the stock market is not to play a perfect game, but your goal is just to be profitable and to find ways on how you can make money off of it. So that's it for now. I hope this video is something that's beneficial to you, and I hope that the stock market helps you reach your goals of financial freedom. I'll make another update naman on what's happening on a broad level for the PSEI as well. So if you're new to this, subscribe. If you're new to this in Facebook, like so you get updated. And this is part of our stocks by request. Keep on posting what stocks that you want us to analyze, and we'll try to make as much videos as we can for that, because I really want to see more Filipinos reach their goals of financial freedom. So that's it for now. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. This is Marvin Guerrero. See you all again soon.